Okay, we're getting ready to start the scrimmage between New Orleans Saints and the Carolina Panthers.
Waters and assistant coach Ruben Stinson. Quarterback takes the snap and he hands off to the right. He's coming down the right side. He's got open field. Moving down the lane. Ball is snapped. There's a dive up the center. Good. Pitch comes to the line. Split wide to the left. Quarterback up under the center. Ball is snapped. It's hand off to the left. Oh, excellent defense. Formation split wide to the left. Number 22, Josh Bird, the split receiver. Quarterback hands off to number 11. Quarterback for the Saints takes the snap, hands off to the right-hand side. Excellent deflection to the left with 3 receivers on the left side. Jake Buckway, the quarterback hands it off up the middle. Great run up the middle. Mason Smith breaks it for a long. Panthers in a tight formation. Quarterback up under center. It's handed off on the right-hand side. Number 34 breaks it around the right-hand side. He's got running room. Panthers in an I formation. Quarterback takes the snap. Looks like it's a reverse around the left-hand side. He's wide open. He's got running room. Looks like he's going to go all the way. Oh! Quarterback is up under center. There's a backup on the line. Oh, back in the hurry. Ball is snapped. It's a pitch to the left-hand side. He's trying to go wide. He's brought down in the backfield. Number 34, Malachi Heron. Set. Quarterback takes a snap. Backs off, comes around the right-hand side. He's met by 2 Panther defenders. The defense, Saints bring their offense up the line. The quarterback is up under center. He takes a snap. Hands off on the left-hand side. He takes direction. He's got open room. Nice run by the Saints running line. Look like they're in a high formation. The quarterback is up under center, split to the left. Handed off on the right-hand side. He's going. He's making tackles. Fumble! Panthers bring the offense up. Split wide to the left. He takes the snap. It's headed off in the center. He's got running room. Panther offense comes to the line. Quarterback is up under center. Takes the snap. Hands off on the right-hand side. Oh, excellent defensive play in the back. Jake is up under center. Motion to the left. Jake's moving around the right. Oh, he's hit the backfield. It's a fumble. Looks like it's being covered by the Panthers. Saints bring the offensive line. Panthers are shuffling the defense on the field. Quarterback takes a snap. It's a dive in the center. Good running effort. He kept driving. High formation. Quarterback up under center. Ball is snapped. It's a dive on the right-hand side again. Oh, running room. He's moving. Looks like he may go all the way. Number 2. Wide open. Touchdown. Saints. After point try here, take the lead. Quarterback takes a snap. It's a quarterback sneak. He's going around. Extra point try is good. Quarterback takes a snap, hands it off on the left-hand side. About a yard gain. Quarterback takes a snap. Oh, it's pitched and it's stopped. It's a scramble for the ball in the backfield. No split receivers. Backs in the eye. Quarterback takes a snap. Hands it off. Oh, it's a reverse around the side. Great defense in the backfield. Off in the back. Panther defense is getting settled. Quarterback takes a snap, handed off up the middle. Stop, no gain, in the middle. Quarterback is up under center, he takes a snap. Looks like it's coming around the left-hand side. Lots of good contact over there. Saints are at the line, quarterback is up under center, he takes a snap. Ball's handed off on the left-hand side, he changes directions. Oh, down in the backfield. Good pursuit by the Panthers. Under center. Takes the snap. Down the right-hand side. He's gone. Looks like he's going to break the throw. He's tackled by two Panther defenders. Back is up under center. Changing a I formation. All his snaps. Hands it off on the left-hand side. Looks like a short gain. Back up under center. Takes the snap. He rolls right. Quarterback keeps the ball. Stopped on the edge by a host of Panther defenders. Look, there's a flag on the play. Comes to the line. Saints quarterback up under center. Takes a snap, moves to the left. Quarterback keeps the ball. Touchdown. Quarterback under center. Takes the snap, hands off on the right-hand side. Extra point is good. 14-6, Saints lead. Minute 26. He takes the snap, it's pitched down on the left-hand side. Oh, he's stopped in the backfield. Looks like, oh, he's hit hard.
What's that? And the quarterback takes a snap, he backs up. Oh, the ball is batted down. Looks like it's intercepted by the Saints. I can't believe I missed that.
Saints win
that's the game.
over the Panthers, 14-6.
Sorry I missed that last play.